Hi, today we're here at the Arthurdale factory buildings. They were built around 1935 when the project was first starting in order to house some of the different industries that were here in Arthurdale. So of those industries, there was a vacuum cleaner company, the Philip Jones shirt company, the Co-op tractors, and Brunswick radio. So those 4 different industries were here at different times. Some of them were here for a year or even less than a year because of different issues that they were facing. In 1937, there was a recession, which led to some of them closing. And also, following the Great Depression and that recession, people didn't have money to be buying new vacuum cleaners or new shirts. So that was one of the issues that they faced. But Eleanor was really dedicated to the factories and into bringing industry into Arthurdale. She even purchased shirts for Franklin Roosevelt, her husband, from the Philip Jones shirt company here. And so she really was looking to see Arthurdale succeed and become self-sufficient. In World War II, these buildings were used by the Silman Company to manufacture different products related to the war effort, like wooden propellers, wooden cockpits for trainer planes, and such other things that we will talk about in a specific World War II video coming up. Now, this building is owned by Superior Fibers, so these are the original buildings still in use today. All right, thanks for listening and tune in for our next video.